Hey guys, this is Mr. H. This is question 33 from the June 2023 Regents exam. They've just given us two functions and they want us to graph it. And then down below, they want you, it says determine all values of X. It says determine all values of X for which where the function f of X is equal to g of X. All that means is you're just going to find where these two graphs intersect. And wherever they intersect, you're going to take the X coordinate and that's going to be your answer. So let's graph these first. So the very first thing we got to do is we're going to graph the first one. So we're going to put that into the calculator as F1. It's absolute value. So that's this. And then we're going to put +1. And then we press enter. So that's the function. So now we just need like 3 or 4 points off of this. So I'm going to do menu 51. That should take me to the y-intercept. So that's 0, 1. So that's what I'm going to put on my paper. So it's going to be 0, 1 right there. And then to get some other points, I'm just going to put in some X values. So I put in 1. So that's 1, 2. So I'm going to put a point there. And then I'm going to do 2 for X. And then that's 2, 3. So I'll go over 2, up 3. All right. Now I can use the symmetry since this is the vertex. I can use the symmetry. Let's go here. And then on the other side, I can just, whoops, that's not good. I can put 1 here and 1 here. And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to draw a line going out. And I'm going to draw another line going out. So that's my graph for the absolute value. And then I'm going to do the quadratic. And I'm going to change that to red. And so we're going to go here. And we are going to do tab. And then we put in, now this is going to be a smile or a frowning quadratic plus 6x plus 1. And we go boom. And I'm going to bring the graph paper down a little bit so we can see this. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find the vertex, which is right here. So I'm going to go menu. And since it is a maximum, I'm going to do 63. And this is the graph. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to pull this over. Now, to be honest, watch what I do. I'm going to go back to tab and I'm going to uncheck this just to get it out of the way for now, because I don't need that anymore. So one of my points is going to be 310. So go over 3, go up 10. And that's going to be one of my points right there. All right. And so now let's get a couple other points. So what you should do, now that you know the vertex is 3, just go to the left or right. So I'm going to put in 2. Well, let me do menu 51 first. 51. I'm going to put in 2. And press enter. And so it says 2, 9. So I can go 2, 9. And then because of the symmetry, I know there's going to be a point right here as well. Now I'm going to go back. And now, oops, what happened? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 1. I'm going to put in 1. And it tells me 1, 6. So I can go, let's go 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That wasn't good. So that's what I got, 1, 6. And remember, I can use symmetry, and I know there's going to be a point right here. Now, my blue line is off a little bit. So this is an intersection right here. Now let's try to find the 0. So, dang, why does it keep doing that? So now if I put in 0, this is still in menu 41. It says 0, 1. So one of my points is also going to go here. So here is another point of intersection. So my 2 points of intersection are here and here. So the X value is 0, and the other one is the X equals 5. So now what I'm going to do to finish this off is I'm just going to try to draw the best line that I can coming through here. Make sure you put your arrows on it, and that's it. So this graph would be +2. Now it doesn't have to be perfect. but you gotta plot some points that they can clearly see that you put some points in there. And then down here, I just put x equals 0, x equals 5. I don't put any y values because they didn't ask for any y values. Don't put something that they didn't ask for. They said determine all values of x. And as soon as you see all values, that should tell you that there's probably going to be more than one. All right. And they want to know where the two graphs intersect or where the graphs are equal. That's it. This would be 2 points down here. And I'm going to post this.